What's up, mi gente? Today we're gonna be making some pan sweet chili, ground turkey, and some lettuce wraps. Let's get into it. So we have our lettuce, orange bell pepper, red bell pepper, some cilantro, you know that's our absolute favorite. We have some nuts, the peanuts, and we have some sweet soy glaze sauce. 2 packets of those. And we have a Thai style chili sauce. 2 of those, of course. Another package of peanuts. 2 onions. And a lime. And of course we have our ground beef. As you see, it's already been thawed out. It's there on the side. Let's go to washing this produce. Okay, now that our bell peppers are nice and washed, we're going to start. I always like to cut the top piece off first. Usually this is like just right here. Now that we've chopped up our onions and our bell peppers, we've put them into the turkey meat, we are going to start to season them. So I'm actually going to just be adding some garlic salt because those sauces are already high in sodium and highly seasoned. Let me show you those sauces again, just in case you forgot. You can find them in your local grocery stores. And then the sweet soy sauce mix. All right, now off to the stove we go. So we have the stove on about a medium high, and we're gonna let this cook nice and slow. We'll come back and check on it in about 5 minutes or so. Now in the meantime, we will start to prepare our lettuce wraps. Usually you want to leave them just a little bit stacked. Some people only use one at a time, but in order to keep the meat nice and steady in the inside, I love to leave them. The leaves are a little bit stronger that way. But remember, you do not have to do it this way. You don't have to do it this way. Some apart, leave a little thickness to it. That also creates a really good pocket for them as well. So this is a really good start to it. Now we'll go back and put some sauce on it. And then we'll begin to stir. Remember to break your meat apart, especially if it started to cook and just clump up a little bit. We'll add our next 2 packets of sauce, and then we'll allow for it to sit, and we'll come back in order to prepare. It's starting to get a beautiful brown color, which means that it's almost ready. So while we let this sit just for a few more minutes. All right, mi gente, now it's time to plate this at that brown chili. Fantastic. We're going to see how that just sits on there just so perfectly, which is why I stacked just a few. This smells wonderful. You guys have got to try this. Do not forget to comment below and let me know. Let's speed this up a little bit. And there you have it, we have it. They are ready. We cannot wait to do this. Now don't forget, if you guys enjoyed cooking with me today, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And remember, share it with a friend. Till next time, cooking with Aneliz.